what is a hackathon at all? It's like an event that is organized where people join, as you say, from different cities all over the world, and that has a background, preferably in construction, but not necessarily. I would also say that the hackathon is a 2-3 day event where you connect, as I hear from you on Friday, you connect with people, you choose the project, and then you just, team up. And then from there on, you have 2 full days. I know people works overnight, to actually develop this idea. And then at the very end, the idea is presented and communicated, and hopefully with some successful results, and otherwise proof of concept of what it is, right? Also very important, I would like to highlight, because that I didn't know, and I was a little reluctant to join the first time. Like, you work in construction, but you don't necessarily need to have any idea whatsoever about programming. You should not have opened a programming thing, and you are still welcome. And the same for people that are working in computer science and see an opportunity of a blank canvas that is construction right now, where there is infinite opportunities for programmers or people that understands data and structuring data and managing data and creating applications or whatever whatsoever, to actually get closer to a construction profiles and understand what the industry needs, right? So it's open to everybody. And then what happens in this hackathon? People meet 1-2 days, whatever it is. What happens there?
We have a set of events typically going on, right? And I just need to say that the idea is not necessarily new. It's originating in the States back in the 90s, right? It's some people came to a realization that they had to shake up things and jam around their innovation processes, and try and do that in a way where they were having fun rather than being so tightly scheduled.
Smart people, I would say,
right?
Very smart people.
so it actually came from people who really liked what they do professionally, and then they would realize over the years or over the times that they did this one time again, that when they combine different skill sets, different technologies, and different backgrounds together, they would see some results or some suggestions to problems or challenges that they wouldn't necessarily expect.
Or have come with themselves, because they were not aware that was even possible.
Definitely.
They needed different perspectives to make to get there.
It becomes an anthropological discipline suddenly, right? It's about people and the people utilizing the format rather than being about hardcore technological development necessarily. We need to remember that the AEC develops the shaping of our worlds, right?
Mm-hmm.
And everything entailed to that is somewhat bound to creative processes. Whether they are just 5 minutes over a cup of coffee in the morning of some top manager having to do a decision in a creative way, or they are at the drawer's desk in front of an architect having to express an idea or a new plan for a building. It is about the creativity, right?
These ideas need to spark, but they also need to materialize, right? And sometimes materializing these ideas comes from personal limitations or company limitations, the lack of skills or the lack of understanding of how to, create a process or make that idea to be applied or implemented somehow, because many reasons.
Sometimes you don't have money to run a lot of trial and errors necessarily.
Yeah.
You have 10
or
tries.
The time these days is time more than money. Like, you don't have time.
you can do that at a hackathon, right? We can set it up, and what we do typically is that we invite stakeholders of the industry. And we say, okay, guys, on the Friday evening, we will have something that we call lighting rounds. It's a super cool concept that people get up to 30 seconds. It's super condensed. You can get on stage, regardless if you're part of the audience, if you're part of participants, or if you're a stakeholder or partner of the company. You can get on stage and express what you think that we need to solve. We're not trying to solve the climate crisis or looking for Paris Agreement goals or anything. We want to contribute in the small making of ideas that can lead us in a good direction, right? So every Monday to Friday problem or issue can actually be something that you want to work with at a hackathon. So everybody gets the chance to come on stage, and sometimes we see that people come from their normal jobs, or they work with something that is new to their role or new to their position, and they want to discuss how can I connect these data sets that I already know so well and these disciplines that I already know so well with a new solution, or in a direction of some new kind of goal. Other situations, you will have big organizations or company that is showing up with huge
Case
data,
studies,
huge cases, right? And they say, guys, we have a huge problem here, and it's making it a challenge for us to solve some of the Monday to Friday problems in our teams or our divisions or whatever. We need something to change here. Do you have a good idea, right?
We need fresh perspectives. We
Exactly.
are, we exhausted all our ideas.
And
guys,
that is
help.
the liminal state, right? That is exactly what is happening, that the big companies also, and the big money is showing up, and they are saying this is not necessarily about money. This is also about us having to look at our business prospects in new ways.
Challenge them, improve them.
Whatever we thought we knew. And see if we can become better, show better sides of ourselves. And hopefully our hope is that we know that we're not necessarily solving all of the big crises, but if we can give something to people and companies and organizations that they can take with them home to their development departments, just a small idea on how to do things differently, or good connection to somebody you would never have known from the industry, given that you're shifting in between disciplines and cultural backgrounds and so on. It's a huge jump